A warm welcome at our MACO booth at the Fensterbau Frontale 2026. I'm looking forward to speak with you together with our 150 MACO experts, and this in over 25 languages. With more than 6,000 hours of consultation time, we are here for you to talk with you about the requirements, about new solutions and how to achieve bigger success together.
We at MACO developing for many years a solution for our customers. We are really proud that we can present at the Fensterbau Frontale a lot of new things for you. Our new lift and slide system with new gears, roller, the threshold and the new turn and tilt system is also available for the market. In the next 4 days we also present the new Multimatic system. Consists of cam, scissors and striker blade IQ.
There are plenty of good reasons to visit us in Nuremberg. For example, come and see our sensors that are installed in every element at our booth and show a wide range of applications in the smart home field.
Take the chance and visit us during the next 4 days in stand 349 hall number 1. We look forward to see you.